Hi Odooers! At Stealthy Wood, we want to avoid having underselling products in stock, but we don't want to stop offering them. To keep them in our catalog, we will implement the dropshipping strategy. Instead of having this product on hand, dropshipping will allow our supplier to ship it directly to the customer. As a result, we will never see or handle the item, which helps minimize risk since we don't have anything in stock that could lose value overnight. New products will also be less expensive for us as they won't require investment before they can be sold. Then we can offer a wider variety of products than what would be possible if we had to buy and store all of them. Finally, all of the hassle of packing products to prepare them for shipment will be done by the supplier, not us, decreasing the amount of work our staff needs to do. Very convenient. So let's see how this works in Stealthywood's database. All right, so here I am on my database. Let's go straight to the purchase application. Then we're going to go to configuration and settings. From the settings page, we're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom. Underneath the logistics section, we're going to activate this option dropshipping, which I've already done. So if you need to, go ahead and select this option and be sure you click on save before moving forward. Now we're going to go to the sales application and then to our products. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and choose one product, Petal Bin. I'm going to click on Edit. Now, there are two very important things that I need to do here to be sure that the dropshipping will work. All right, the first is in the Inventory tab, we're going to select this option, Dropship. Okay, and then we also need to go to the Purchase tab and add a vendor, okay, because we need to know who is dropshipping this item. Okay, so let's go ahead and add the vendor here. So I'm going to say Gemini Furniture. All right, I'm going to add a price as well. So let's say 20. Okay, and then I'm going to save and close this, save again. And now that we have this set up, we can go ahead and create a sales order. So let's go to Orders, Create. All right, first I'm going to choose my customer. So let's go ahead and say Colleen Diaz. And then I'm going to add the product, Petal Bin. Okay, and then I can go ahead and save this, confirm. And something we'll notice right away is we don't have this little delivery icon here. That's because it hasn't created a delivery yet, but it has created a request for quotation or an RFQ. So now let's jump back to the purchase application and go ahead and confirm that RFQ, turning it into a purchase order. All right, so I'm looking at the wrong one. Hey, let's go ahead and choose the one for the sales order 41, okay, for the Petal Bin. We're going to confirm the order. Receive the products, validate, apply. Okay, and then we can jump back to the sales and check out that sales order. So number 41. Now we see that delivery here. Once we click on this, it's already done. Okay, so we didn't have to validate or process the delivery. The vendor did it for us. So it's so easy, so convenient, and it saves my company a lot of time and money. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.